Today we have a 2012 Nissan Pathfinder with a 4.0 liter engine, and as you can hear, it has a really bad exhaust leak. Well, the exhaust is leaking from the passenger side exhaust manifold right down there. Now that we can hear it a little bit better, so the exhaust manifold is leaking right here on this back corner. What that's going to require is a new exhaust manifold gasket, and on this particular vehicle, it is definitely not a job you would want to do yourself in your backyard. It's about a 12-hour job, and there's a lot of labor involved with doing so.